Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Sarah and I'm back with another festive holiday themed shower routine. This one is going to be candy cane scented, so let's just get right into it. I'm starting off with some baby unscented Dr. Bronner's for my body because I did go to the gym this day, and this just helps get off all of the sweat and the lotion and just like the day's dirt. So I always like to use this first. After that, I'm going in with a little bit of body scrub. This is the Tree Hut Candy Cane Body Scrub, which is limited edition, and you can get this at Ulta, I'm pretty sure. And it definitely smells like candy cane in here. Like, it's sweet, yummy, and gives me holiday vibes. And I am shaving, so I'm making sure to really go in on my legs. So I'm using the Skintimates Hydrating Shave Gel that has shea butter in it and all that good stuff to keep my legs soft, and I'm using a Joy 5-blade razor. I also really like to use baby oil or coconut oil to shave, especially if I don't feel like putting on lotion after the shower. Baby oil is the way to go, but just make sure you wipe your shower down afterwards so you don't slip and fall next time. After that, I'm using some body wash. I'm using the Dove Deep Moisture body wash. This one is my favorite. It goes with everything and it just has that fresh, clean smell. My skin always feels so soft after using this, but this is like #1 body wash ever. So once I'm done showering and everything, I don't really think perfume goes with this combo, but if you wanted to, I think the eyelash perfume would go well with it because it is like a vanilla and cocoa. So you could basically just smell like a peppermint hot chocolate. But anyways, I'm moving on to my skincare. I'm taking off my makeup using the Garnier Micellar Water. If you watched my last video, you know that this stuff irritates my skin. Like, my eyes turn red every single time I use it. I don't know why I keep using it. I think it's just because I want to finish the bottle. But after that, I'm washing my face using the First Aid Beauty Pure Skin Cleanser on my Foreo Luna 3. As you can see, my eyes are burning right there from the micellar water. Then I'm using my Foreo Call It a Night sheet mask for my UFO 2. I freaking love this mask thing that I'm about to use. This particular mask that I'm showing y'all is like super moisturizing and just gives my skin that extra boost of hydration. But I put it on the UFO 2, sync it up to my phone, and it has all these different treatments. So I can use like different temperature controls. It heats up or it gets cold depending on which mask I use or which settings I have it on. And it also has LED light therapy to address certain skin concerns. But whenever I use this, I just feel so luxe. Like, I'm at the spa right now, you guys. And then after that, I just rub all of the excess into my skin. Putting on some lip balm real quick, and then I'm using my eye cream. This is the Believe Moisturizing Eye Balm. This is like the equivalent of putting cucumbers on your eyes, cold cucumbers. I'm obsessed with this stuff. Then I'm using my Ole Henriksen Dewtopia Night Treatment. This is like an exfoliating treatment, so I don't use it super often. This is probably like my 5th time ever using this. And then I follow up with the Ultra Repair Cream from First Aid Beauty just to keep my skin nice and soft. This stuff is kind of hard to rub in though. Then I'm using the Summer Fridays Heavenly 16 Face Oil to lock in everything that I just put on my skin. If this were a lazy night, I would have just stopped at the face mask, but I wanted to do a little extra for myself. My skin is breaking out a little bit, but you know, c'est la vie, okay? So I'm putting on some Mighty Patches, shaping up my eyebrows real quick. Then I'm moving on to the rest of my body care. I'm using the First Aid Beauty Candy Cane Body Lotion. This is a little mini size. It smells just like candy canes. It's giving Christmas. And that is all. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see y'all next time.